So find the maximum frequency and minimum wavelength of X-rays produced by 30 kilovolt electrons. Find the maximum frequency and minimum wavelength of X-rays produced by 30 kilovolt electrons. Okay. kilovolt. 3 into 10 to the power 4 volt equals to EV 1.6 to the minus 9 coulomb equal to H nu E upon H 7.2 10 to the power 10 hertz correct है. Minimum wavelength lambda equal to C upon V max 3 10 to the power 8 upon 7.24 10 to the power 18.04 nanometer. Lambda equal to C upon V. Correct.